Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet versus You Can Book Me. You Can Book Me features: view your booking records, export your data, manage the availability of your entire team, create custom availability with on-duty, multiple bookings per time slot. Services offer different durations and prices. You Can Book Me pricing options: free forever plan with basic scheduling features and functionality, paid plan with $9 a month if billed yearly and all features. Appointlet Features: share your meeting availability with a single link. Generate a link to your scheduling page so it's easy for people to book a time with you. Manage your existing meetings. Review scheduled meetings, take internal notes, and filter through your data with ease. Require advance notice for bookings. Prevent last-minute bookings so you have enough time to prepare for each meeting. And many more. Check the link in the description. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.